Today is day 2 of Severe Weather Awareness Week, and today we'll be talking about storm criteria for severe storms, storm safety tips, and how hail forms within a thunderstorm. There is that phrase, when thunder roars, go indoors, and continue to please do that, as a lot of these thunderstorms, especially in Nebraska and Iowa, do contain lots of lightning, especially the cloud-to-ground lightning. So stay away from windows, stay away from water pipes, and stay away from electronics. Otherwise, the lightning could actually shock you. And if we have severe thunderstorms in your neighborhood, stay inside the house, get in the most interior room of your house, and if you have a basement, that's even better, but just please stay away from windows. Now, severe storms are developed and based by criteria. It's 1-inch diameter hail or larger, and it's 58 miles per hour for wind strength or stronger, both of which will start to cause damage to you and or your property. It does not take into account lightning. Now, hail formation within a thunderstorm typically happens, though, especially in this part of the country, and it happens when the updraft in those thunderstorms, the warm, soupy air that helps develop the cumulus cloud, starts to reach heights in the sky of 30, 40, 50,000 feet. There's lots of collisions happening in the atmosphere, but eventually those rain droplets get to a point in the sky where it's below freezing and all these collisions are happening. Eventually the water turns over to ice and then grows into larger, what we know as hailstones. Now, if the weight of those hailstones becomes too heavy for the updraft strength, that column of air rising to the top of the sky, eventually those hailstones will fall out of the cloud itself. It is what we know as hail and can unfortunately damage property.